Guys, unbox natin yung bagong labas na Red Magic 11S Pro. So, alam naman natin, no, win more games lagi when it's Red Magic. And this is their latest iteration. So, we're really excited. I heard there's a little bit of a revamp sa kanang design. And we're looking forward to check it out here sa bagong i-unbox natin. So, let's pull this one out. See? More than excited. So, the typical Red Magic na little box. So, SIM ejector tool. Got all of the things inside. Meron tayong quick start guide. We have a looking good na case, Case. Smoke na case. Solid. Hindi siya jelly case. The phone. We got a charging cable and of course a fast charging brick. Sa ako na alamin kung ilang watts to. Mabasahin ko pa kasi lit ng font. And so, yun. Yeah, be. Ganda. I mean, medyo umiba kundi ka ng design. Parang dumami ka ng camera. No? Parang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I'm not sure, alamin na lang natin sa ating full review. This is definitely yung ganyang flash. The other 4 are mukhang camera. No, mukhang sensor to eh. So we have the Red Magic logo over here. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for sure. And liquid cooling. Wow. Can't wait to boot this one up. Yung kanyang gaming toggle. Fan mo. Shoulder triggers. This is how it looks like on top. On the sides. And I'm not sure kung ilaw to. And this is how it looks like sa ilalim. So of course guys, ina-encourage ko to follow me sa aking YouTube channel so makikita ninyo ang full review ng Red Magic 11S Pro. So I'll see you over there.